What's going on, guys? It's your boy out here, Boom Boom Tisk. Thanks for tuning in. It's another beautiful day out here in sunny Southern California. I still haven't gotten a haircut yet, and we are here to bring you an update on my van. If this is your first time tuning in, you are looking at a 1993 Chevrolet G20 Conversion van. It has been lowered in the front here with DJM 3-inch drop spindles and C10 lowering springs. The back has been lowered using a Western chassis axle flip kit, and it also has air shocks, which blew recently. But anyways, that's pretty much it as far as the setup goes. I'll try to post part numbers below in the description. But also, if you want more information about how I lowered it, feel free to check out my other videos. I have a whole playlist and all that good stuff. But anyways, you already know. You mind if I sit here real quick? Alright, cool, thanks. Okay, last update with the van, you guys saw that we were trying to get to past smog. Swapped out the cat, so put a California cat in there, dialed back the timing on the distributor, O2 sensor, passed in flying colors. I was pretty happy about that, so we were able to go get it registered, get the tags all up to date, get it insured as well. Now with the weather warming up, we want to cruise this thing. Besides that, we did some other work to it too. Changed the freeze plug, no more coolant leak. Changed the input seal on the drive shaft, no more transmission fluid leak. Serviced the transmission fluid as well, put some new fluid in there. Changed the mount under there. Also did a cap and rotor, changed the spark plug wires. Basically a bunch of the maintenance that has been needing to be done. Took care of it. And there's pretty much one thing left to do. We need to do something about that. After we lowered the back down, we basically gave up all suspension travel that we ever had. To make some clearance between the axle and the frame, we needed a Cnotch done like really bad. Now, unfortunately, they don't make Cnotch kits for full-size conversion vans. It's not as quite of a popular application as most trucks like C10s or vice versa. A Cnotch, in a nutshell, to explain, is a cut that is made to your frame in the shape of a C. And what that allows is the clearance between your frame and your axle. But after that cut is made, you also need reinforcement. Basically, most of the Cnotch kits that you can buy for like your truck or whatever has a brace in there as well that can be bolted on, but we don't have that. So we needed to do something custom, and I had just the right guy to hit up. I went and took my phone and dialed Dennis, RNZ Conceptz, gave him a call and said, "Hey, what's up, Dennis? I got this big, full-size conversion van, and I need a Cnotch done." Now, rather than telling me to kick rocks, he was actually down to help me out. I brought the van over there, gave him a couple of days to take a look at it, and, well, he was able to get it done. Basic, but I mean, gets the job done. I am lost for words right now. I'm just like, well, I guess I should start by driving it. Now, besides the Cnotch, there was other things that needed to be done as well to get it all to work. Get some cutting out of the tunnel, the drive shaft tunnel, so that you got some clearance there. And also the tailpipe after the muffler that had to be chopped off as well. So probably in the future, gonna go get a muffler and exhaust done with this thing. But we got all the clearance we need, and believe it or not, it's actually sitting like, I think another inch or two lower in the back. So rides better, sits lower, win-win. But for real though, shout outs to Dennis at RNZ Conceptz for being down to help out with this project. He's always been just really cool about helping me out with oddball builds and stuff like that. Also really fair on pricing and does a really good job. Man, she is sitting so nice right now. I am so happy to get it back and just like ready to drive. The inside hasn't changed a whole lot. It just needs to be cleaned up after sitting for so long. And it's just, you know, same old, same old. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's always still little things that need to be done here and there. It's always a work in progress, but it's all good. We're able to cruise in it, we're able to camp in it, which we actually have done already. So we've done a few overnighters in it, and it's just been awesome. Every weekend in this van just feels like a longer weekend. The van did actually survive its first little mini road trip, about 180 miles total. And it was a pretty smooth trip. The van was just solid, besides the air shocks blowing, but well, you know, it happens. And yeah, it was super fun. Got a lot of props along the way, just from people like, you know, seeing us cruise by, and man, I love it. I'm trying to keep you guys up to date with these videos. I know sometimes I'm kind of lagging, but we're busy out there vanning, man. We're busy living life. Stay posted. There's so much more stuff that needs to be done with this thing, so we'll have more content for you guys. And yeah, besides that, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for dropping by, hanging out. Have a good one, guys. Peace.